Here we have a very beautiful Eurostyle double bell alarm clock that has been made in Yugoslavia apparently, and there is some small chipping in the glass just down here. It's not really that noticeable, but I thought I'd just show you it's there. Other than that, there's not really any other damage on it apart from where the alarm hits the bell. The rest of the clock, however, the copper appears to be in good nick, and I think the back is made of brass, but I'm not sure. The hands glow in the dark. You got a second hand here that moves, which is quite impressive. This is going to be a pre-1992 clock because Yugoslavia broke up in 1992, I think. It became 4 different other countries. It's hand wound. You got your alarm here. You wind this up so this will move when you've got it onto the set time. You wind up your mechanism here. Change the time with this one. Change the alarm time with this one. I don't know what this does. Probably shouldn't touch it. So I'm going to demonstrate the alarm now and bring the hour hand on there forward. Show you what it sounds like. Get close, there we are. Got this little bit here that stops it if you don't really want to listen to that. So all good. Thank you for watching.